I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 21st to May the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, marami tayong pag-uusapan. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Taurus. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang medyo either inaakit tayo, or tayo mismo yung nangaakit. One thing's for sure, someone is catching, or someone wants to catch the other person's attention. Whether it is yung nagpapacute to a point na someone is going to create a scene. Hopefully, if that is the case, siguro sana naman yung mob dance, no? Or yung sabihin natin ano yun? Yung giving a ring, no? Yung mga ganyan. Pero yung huwag naman sana yung creating a scene na parang iskandalo, which I feel like kahit sino ayaw namang ma-experience. Pero hindi natin alam kung ano itong parang ino-offer eh. It might also be, no, for a small percentage of you, baka meron ditong ino-offeran ng indecent proposal. So, parang sinasabi, dahil ganyan yung situation ng buhay mo, kumbaga, sisilawin kita sa mga regalo, no? Pwedeng ganun din. But let's see, kasi wala pa naman dito yung mga, yung tarot cards. Ang nandito pa lang is the core. Parang binibigyan pa lang tayo ng clue na meron ditong parang hinihila, no, yung energy ng isang tao. The Empress, I love it. The Ace of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Is it? Okay naman yung camaraderie. Okay naman ito. I feel like may pagka mirrored yung energy, especially siguro doon sa mga no labels and sa may mga crushes. I feel like nag-aakitan kayong dalawa. Both of you understood siguro na may pag-asa, no? May pag-asang this connection might be placed in a different kind of relationship, no? Into a more serious type of relationship. Medyo mag-ingat lang kung hindi ka pa, no, nagpa-practice ng intimacy or ng premarital sex. Dahil I feel like with this temptation, baka ma-first timean ka, no? But if in case na there's no judgment dito, because this is a reading, hindi po ako nandito para diktahan, no? Kung ano yung tama at hindi, buhay mo yan. Buntot mo, hila mo. Ang binabasa ko lang dito is the possible, no, na pwedeng mangyari. Pero kung trip mo naman, di go, no? Yun nga lang, kung hindi ka pa kasal, um, I think that this is, kung kaya mo ng panindigan, edi why not, di ba? Who are we to judge and who are we to stop you from, your happiness? But from what I am seeing in here, baka kasi mapagsisihan natin sa bandang huli. So, doon sa mga virgin pa, no? Uh, well, I think if you think that this is the time, by all means, go ahead. But if you are the type of person na medyo reserved at medyo nandun kayo sa stage na kukunin, kikidnapin tuloy, parang yung yayain kayo sa bahay nila, yung sa mga gabi-gabi lalabas, I feel like medyo iwasan natin yan for this week, no? But then again, kung palaban naman tayo, go, why not, no? Basta kaya natin. The Hermit, the Five of Wands, the King of Cups. So, para kasing may madidiscover tayo dito na either pinasakay mo lang ako, ginamit mo lang ako. So I think that this will serve also as a warning, no? Parang yung kay Aries. So kung ikaw, feeling mo naman, no, mag-enjoy ka at magagamit mo rin naman yung tao, so be it. Pero kung ayaw mo namang maisahan, again, into whatever shape or form, I feel like medyo pag-isipan natin with the Hermit. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng kaliwanagan. I feel like we may be, I think meron hindi dito sinasabi si person eh. Especially kung hindi mo pa kakilala, no, itong person ito, baka the person might be placing you in a third party situation. I'm not saying na it might also be a conflict, no? Pero I feel like may madidiscover ka dito na hindi kami magka-same level of intellect, no? Pwede yung isa medyo bigla kang ma-surprise at may isip mo, ay naku, medyo ano pala to, childish, no? Or baka masyadong mature to sa akin, baka boring naman, no? With the Page of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Five of Cups. So, huwag tayong gagawa ng decision this week, especially kung medyo, again, hindi pa natin masyadong kilala. Because I am seeing disappointments. Ilabas natin dito yung married couple. Kasi, the Page of Swords, ito yung marriage, no? But then again, married na. So, nandun sa mga singles, crushes, no labels, even dun sa mga in a relationship. Third party and even separations, kung medyo pinapaasa kayo, I feel like there's really some disappointment that might going to happen this week. So parang, ito yung week na ang taas na ng expectations, ang dami ng naglalaro sa isip mo, na pwedeng sigurong mangyari, no? But then again, medyo bigla mong ma-realize na, parang naglalaro lang si person. Parang feeling ko pinapaasa lang ako or pinapasakay niya lang ako, no? With the Magician, the Queen of Swords, and the King of Swords. So parang nakakita ako dito ng talastasan. Nakakakita ako dito na chances are, no, baka magbabangayan because of, sasabihin, isa masyado kang praning, hindi mo binibigay yung gusto ko, yung isa naman masyado kang mabilis, hindi mo naman ako naiintindihan, no? So parang masasabi natin meron tayong madi-discover na selfishness, no? And a bit disappointing attitude with regard to our person. Ayan. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. But before that, no, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo, nasa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon. So, kung gusto nyo sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang. Dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.